Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the popular Brain Out application on your smartphone. To download the game on your device, first of all, go ahead and open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Once you get inside your Google Play Store or your App Store, in the search icon, type in Brain Out. Now, look for this application from iWind Limited and then tap on the install or the get button to start downloading the app on your device. If prompted, enter your Apple ID or Google account's password or use biometric authentication to confirm the download. Once the app is downloaded, tap on open and this will open up the Brain Out application on your smartphone. Now you're ready to challenge your brain with fun and tricky puzzles. Enjoy playing and don't forget to share your progress with your friends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.